This is Mostar. I just arrived like an hour ago or something from Sarajevo and got a bed in that hostel there. It's called Hostel Miran for about €8 or about $9. And I'm now walking to downtown Mostar, going to check out the main sights to see, the bridge and the city center and everything. As you can see, pretty cool little lanes here. It was a hot day. It is now like 5:30 in the evening and still definitely very warm, but cooled down a little bit, especially in these alleys. But it is definitely heating up here in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Ulica per Lazerica. Ulica means street. A cross up on the top of that hill up there. I'm only here for one night, heading tomorrow back to Croatia, to Dubrovnik, and so this is my chance to check out Mostar and get a little taste for, is it worth visiting? So far it's definitely looking pretty cool. Lots of hostels, a mosque there. So at some point here then I will find the Mostar Bridge, which was built in the 1500s and then destroyed during the Balkans War and rebuilt in its original form, so that I guess it looks like almost exactly like it did before. Alright, had to head down this little side alley because I can see the river there, and one of the bridges that is definitely not the old bridge. Do you know the river name? Neretva. Thank you. Neretva River. The old bridge in the city center is a bit further down. I thought that I might be able to see it from here. Must be like right around that corner. Definitely a really cool spot here though. And another mosque here. The Karadozbegova Zamija. Karadozbe Mosque is the central mosque of Mostar and Herzegovina. It was built by Mehmed Karadzios in 1557. Wow. Well, I think that is the old bridge. Just beyond those trees there. I'll definitely find a better spot to get a view of it. Definitely a cool town though. much.
Did you make it up the pyramid?
Hey, we saw you yesterday.
At the bus stop.
Oh, you were the guys there?
Yeah.
Cool.
How was
You make it up?
I did. It was like very lucky stumbling along, and then I there was nobody around, and I wasn't quite sure if I was going the right way, so I stopped and waited, and like this old lady came walking along, and then I asked her like pyramid, and she said straight, and so I kept walking, and then at one point I hear her yelling at me, and she's like, no, you have to go this way, and so there was a road you go up to the right, and that got me on, and then I was seeing the correct sign. So I saw those guys yesterday when I went to visit the Bosnian pyramids, and they were at the bus station, and I asked them like which direction I should walk. Can you just like walk up to it, or what do you recommend?
Just here.
That's the one I can see there.
Yeah.
From the bus station to get to the pyramids.
Have you ever jumped?
Several times.
From here?
Man, this place is touristy as heck. But you can see why. It's pretty cool. A little different scene here, obviously the more modern part of the town. Sarajevo to the right, that's where I came from today. Dubrovnik and Split to the left. I've been to Split already, that is in Croatia, and Dubrovnik as well is in Croatia. I'm headed there tomorrow. I have a bus booked at noon. It's about a 3-hour bus ride back to Croatia, and then south to Montenegro. That's the restaurant where I ate. Definitely a ultimate spot. I do not recommend the squid. Not a fan. My first time giving that a try. Not my thing apparently. But other than that, I think it's safe to say that Mostar is definitely worth a visit.
Sve što zaželiš, potaknimo bolo zajedno.